So guys, we have a question. If x to the power y minus y to the power x is equal to 17, then we have been asked to find the value of x and y. Okay, so we have x to the power y minus y to the power x is equal to 17. This is our equation number 1. Let's say this is our equation number 1. From here we can write this as x to the power y by 2 into 2 minus y to the power x by 2 into 2 is equal to 17. Simply y by 2 into 2 to cancel y as it was, and similarly x it was x as it was. Okay, still we will explain it. We will since y by 2 into 2 is equal to y and x by 2 into 2 is equal to x. Okay, from here we simply write it as square minus y to the power x by 2 whole square is equal to 17. Since a to the power m dot n can be written as like this by laws of indices. Okay, as we have learned in the early classes. Okay, now left hand side, look at the left hand side expression. This left hand side becomes a square if we consider this term as a and this term as b. Then what we find from here, that a square minus b square. So a square minus b square can simply be written as x a plus b, that is a plus b plus a plus b into a minus b, a minus b is equal to 17. Okay, simply left hand side is in the form a square minus b square. If we consider this term as a and this term is b, then left hand side is in the form of a square minus b square, and in product from a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. Okay, now this term remains as it is in product from. Now understand, since left hand side of this equation is in a product form, so we will write to we will try to write the right hand side as well in the product form. Now since 17 is a prime number, so in product form 17 can be written as like that. Okay, since 17 is equal to 17 into 1, anything into 1 is that element. Okay, now this term is obviously greater than this term. If now this is nothing to explain, it is clear that this term is greater than a plus b, obviously greater than a minus b. And 17 also greater than 1. So if we consider left hand side, if we compare left hand side to the right hand side, then what we get? So by comparing both the sides, we get What we get by comparison of left hand side and right hand side? The greater or the bigger term? The bigger term is equal to the bigger one. Okay, and the lesser term is equal to the lesser one. Okay, since this term is greater than this term and 17 is greater than 1, so this term is equal to 17 and this term is equal to 1 by comparing. Is that clear? Okay, we just name it as equation number 2 and this as equation number 3. Okay, so 2 plus 3 gives us, if we simply add equation 2 and equation 3, we will see y to the power x by 2 minus y to the power x by 2 simply cancel out, gives us, so what remains? X to the power y by 2 plus x to the power y by 2, that is 2 into x to the power y by 2 is equal to 17 plus 1, 18. Okay, so x to the power y by 2, this is equal to 9. Okay, so squaring both sides, if we square both sides, we get 9 square, that is x to the power y by 2 into 2 is equal to 9 means 3 square and outer square, that is x to the power 2 cancel, so x to the power y is equal to 3 to the power 4. Hope all of you understand this very clearly. Okay, again, so from equation 2, now if we put this value of x to the power y by 2 is equal to 9 in equation number 2, what we will get? We will simply get 9 plus y to the power x by 2 is equal to 17. Okay, so y to the power x by 2, simply this 9 goes to this right hand side and being subtracted from 17 gives us 8. 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. Okay, squaring both sides, okay, this gives us y to the power x by 2 into 2 is equal to 8 can simply be written as 2 cube. Okay, no, we don't express 8 as like this, we simply write it as 64. I will explain. I will explain. Now this 64 can be written as 4 cube. Look at our given equation. This was x to the power y minus y to the power x. Here we have already get x to the power y is equal to 3 to the power 4. So we will try to get y to the power x as this form, so that we can easily compare this. Okay, that's why we didn't express 8 as 2 to the power 3. Okay, from there we will simply get 2 cancel, so y to the power x equal to 4 cube. Okay guys, just name it as equation number 4 and equation number 5. Therefore, x to the power y equal to 3 to the power 4 and y to the power x equal to 4 to the power 3. So, if you have a look at these two equations, we will simply say by comparing x equal to 3 and y equal to 4. Here also y equal to 4 and x equal to 3. So, this is our equation number 4. This is our equation number 5. So, from equation 4 and 5, we can write, what we can write? We can write as x equal to 3 and y equal to 4. This is our required solution. Okay. If you go for cross check, you will see 3 to the power 4 means 81 and 4 to the power 3 means 64. So from equation 1, x to the power y minus y to the power x, that is 81 minus 64, that is nothing else, nothing but 17. Okay. Hence this is our required solution. So guys, if you enjoyed this full video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. And if you have any queries in any step, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video.